Welcome to day 2 of Nyungwe trip. So after waking up and taking the breakfast, we had to head to the Nyungwe National Park office for the briefing, and then we'll head for the activities that we had to do. Among the activities that we had to do, there was canopy walk and waterfall experience, like forest walk heading to the waterfall. So, when planning tours or when having tours, is the best to take like the most like physical effort demand activities for the first, and then you take the light ones in the afternoon, or So we had to move to Nyungwe and head to the waterfall, have the forest walk, and reaching to the waterfall. Upon arrival, we went for registrations and filling the forms as required, and for the briefing as well. So we firstly filled the forms, and then we were given sticks, like hiking sticks. Are they called like that? Yeah, for the supporting when we are doing forest walk. And then we were required to listen to the briefing so that we can head to the waterfall.
It's located in southwest of the country. It also covers 1,019 square kilometers. So right now we are on 2,000 meters above the sea level, but the height elevation is only 2,950 meters above the sea level. So the Nyungwe is home of many species, animals, and even plants. We normally have 85 mammals, and who is Mugwaneza Oltans? So we have 85 mammals, and then 13 of them, they are primates. Once I said the primate, we used to see like monkeys, chimpanzees, and whatever. So we have 13 of them, and then 4 of them, they are habituated to be seen by visitors. We have like chimpanzees, black and white colobus monkeys, silver monkeys, and great chicken mangabe. So those ones, they are really habituated, and then you can count, then you see them. They have the trackers who follow them every time. If you want to track them, you book, and then you can go and then you see them. So we also have around 300 species of birds, and like 31 of them, they are endemic in Alberta States. We also have amphibians, reptiles, and then species of butterflies. So about the plant, you see the forest, we all have over 1,000 plant species, and then like 250, they are different trees and shrubs. So in our way going to Ndambarare, we're going to talk more about that. Feel free to ask the guides whatever you want to know. So they'll be across to you, whatever the information you need, they will be telling you. So a part of that, we do around 80 tourism activity here. We do have a zip line, loop course, canopy, waterfalls, animal tracking, bird watching. So for us today, we're gonna do the waterfall and then the canopy. So we are going to start for the waterfall. It's almost 3 hours, but like no, but 1 hour going and then like 1 hour and a half coming back. Okay, but it's very nice. I know you're gonna love the place. And once we'll be going there, so we'll be talking more about everything. So I hope you have enough water for drinking. And then, as I said before, we are in tropical rainforest, which means that the one who have like rain jacket, feel free to come with them. We never know, the climate, the weather here change anytime. So if you have the rain jacket, please come with them. And then we do the tourism, but also the conservation. I see some of you, they have the bottles. We are not allowed to display some bottles in a forest. If you take something from here, be careful that you bring with them. And then you are not allowed to touch the plant. To cut the plant is not allowed. Yes. And then as we are many, we also have enough guides. So people, you're gonna be close to the guide. Whatever you need to ask, feel free to ask.
Yes.
And then for more information, I would like to ask if anyone has a question. Anyone have a question before?
No question, sir.
Have you used the bathroom?
No.
No?
I don't know where is it.
You don't know where is it?
Yeah.
Behind there's a bathroom. If you want to use them, feel free to use. Yes?
Yes.
So after being briefed about the forest, about the national park, we headed to the forest to walk up to the Ndambarare Waterfall. I don't know if it's pronounced like that, but Ndambarare Waterfall. Ndambarare Waterfall. Yeah, so the weather was so nice. The sky was so clear, blue and white, as you can see. So it was very, very nice. We headed to the forest, very slippery, so we had to be careful. That's why we were even assigned like the hiking sticks so that they can support us as we go. Yes, we continued to go and move. The forest was so green. I mean, it's so green, it's so nice. Just go there for yourself. I can't say it all. It's so breathtaking. So we continued to go, and we felt like we are not reaching there. Hey, you walk and walk and walk like 1.5 hours or 2 hours according to your speed. So I was behind and I hate that. I don't like being behind. But yeah, I went to use the bathroom, and then they left me behind. So here it was, we had to pass through the tea plantations. As you can see, it's so nice, so green. As you know, our exports, most of exports as Rwanda is tea and coffee. So most of the fields were planted with tea. If you didn't know how tea looks like in the farm, it's just like that. We continued, we passed the tea plantations and continued into the forest. Yes, green, dense, like that. I had to take selfie because why not? So we kept on going, running. I wanted to reach there because I was feeling like, oh, I'm getting very, very tired. Yes. So we kept on going, and we could hear the sounds like of the water, and it was like, oh, we are close. But guess what? We wasn't. So we continued walking. I was kind of behind, as you can see. Others were in front. Run, 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 run. Can you see the trees? Can you see the plantations, the plants, everything? Oh my God, it was so nice. It was my very first time to have any adventure activity like this. Forest walks or any adventure activity. Can you see the trees? Very, very old. Very, very old. Yes. So the forest is so very, very, very large. It has very many waterfalls. It has Rusumo waterfalls. It has another one which I don't remember well, but for us we headed to the Ndambarare Waterfall. And here, guess what? We have reached. I was very, very amazed and happy. Actually, it was my first time to see waterfall like physically, not in the movies or not in the TV documentaries. Yes. So I liked it and we enjoyed. We went and took pictures, like, yeah, got the full package experience and caught the memories. Everyone was very happy. I guess like there's very powerful happiness in nature. If you don't know that, go and figure it out, and you will find that it's very, very and so true. From there, then you had to go back, which is something very, very hard. Because guess what? At the moment that we were coming, it was like a slope down, and now we have to be like we are hiking a mountain. Oh, just us know how bad we felt. Just 2 steps and you were finished, you were done. But anyways, you had to do it. So after there we passed by tea plantations, but here it was very special that we had to get experience. They taught us how to harvest tea. They were very fast and I was like, yo, I can't catch you. They made us enjoy, they gave us free experience, and we continued to go back. And here we're about to reach. Very, very tired. Yeah, and walking very slowly. So here we reached and we saw another tea plantations. We went to view, but I saw a monkey. Is it a monkey? It's a primate, but I don't know if it's exactly a monkey. and I tried to capture it, but it refused and it ran away. So we had to go back to the place that we were staying at for lunch, as we were very tired and hungry. And then in the afternoon after lunch we had to do another activities. Took our lunch. I didn't film that because my phone was very low and I had to charge it so that we can take another trip videos. Yeah, so after that we headed to the national park again for the briefing and another activity that we had to do, which was canopy walk. So we reached, but it's different side, like it's not the first side that we started at. I mean, they have different offices, many, according to the side that you're heading to, because this park is very large. So we reached and we climbed up for the briefing, and we had to listen to the briefing and head to the canopy. It was very exciting and I was excited too.
Being with us. So you've been to the waterfall, and the line now we're going to do the canopy walkway. And for the canopy, it's a suspension bridge. So where the entrance and the exit of the bridge, they are both on the ground. And the total length of the bridge is about 170 meters. And the main purpose of the bridge is to provide the aerial view to the tourists or to the people. And then from here to get to the canopy, and from the canopy to here, we're going to take us about 2.1 kilometers. So that means it's going to be 1.5 going the back, but it's going to depend on the pace and even being interested in nature. So from here to get to the canopy, it's about 30 minutes down, and then from down there, it's about an hour coming back. So before I start, if any one of you want to use the washroom, it's better to use them here. In the forest, we are not having washroom anymore. And I think also, before I start, if any one of you have any question or problem, so please feel free to ask. Don't hesitate, we're here for you.
Thank you.
So after taking briefing, we headed to the canopy for canopy walk activity. Yeah, we went, very excited, and I was very I wanted to try that, but now I have tried. I don't know if I can try it again because it's so scary. It's very scary. Yeah, and we reached
70 meters. It is constructed into 3 sustained bridge The first one is this one with the 45 meters. The second is the 80 with the height of 70 meters. The last one is 25 meters.
So which one's the
The highest is the second one.
Okay.
Yeah, for the 70 meters. So the 5 people at the same time.
And we started, as you can see, but I was very, very nervous. I said like, hey, I can't take it anymore. I tried to film the whole experience, but I was feeling like my phone is going to fall down and I can't find it. I was like, I will fall with it because hey, I had to feel like I started to feel dizzy, so I stopped. Now reached the second bridge, and then yeah, that's it. It's very, very, very high. That was
umva twari dupfuye cyane ariko tujya kugendana hano. Tugeze hasi guys, but it was very hard. Look.
so after completing the experience in the activity, we had to go back. Yeah. And after that we headed back to the place that we're camping at. Yeah, for rest, dinner and relaxation. The day was called day. It's finally paid off. Yes. So this forest is very, very, very large. I mean, like, you can't even finish it if you say like I'm going to tour for the 1 day or 2 or 3. It's very, very large. As you can see, even this beside the road, it's all of it is Nyungwe Forest. Yes, so exciting, so breathtaking, so nice, so green, so dense. I mean, it's just perfect gift God has given to Rwanda. So we reached at the place that we were camping at. Yeah, and all of us were very tired. We headed back to the rooms for the shower if you want, and if you don't, no need. Yes. And I went like out, and guess what? Hey, it happened that the electricity broke out. Can you see the lightnings? So I went back to room, and now when the electricity came back, I went for the, how can I call this, kota muriro. Yes. So exchanged stories, we exchanged like songs, we danced, everything. We talked. It was a very nice experience, and getting to know people, getting close to people. Yes, yes. And then we took our dinner. It was so nice and delicious. We continued to relax, and we had to go to sleep. So make sure that you subscribe and don't plan to miss day 3, which is the last day or the last part of the tour. See you soon.